right, hold it right there. That's the spot.
Keep it coming slow. Watch the lines. Secure the hydraulics.
Hoses are clear on the left side.
Hole spacing is rechecked against a measuring tape. Any collar drift is corrected by repositioning the rig.
Detonators confirmed. Primers secure. Ready for deployment in blast hole 1.
The loading sequence continues with measured charge weights. Delay connectors are installed to match the timing plan.
All checks complete. The blast zone is secure. Requesting final approval to detonate.
All right, payload confirmed for Truck 7. Dispatch, ensure the next 3 units are routed through the high-pressure wash.
Crushed ore transfers to a secondary crushing circuit, where vibrating screens split size fractions. Cone crushers reduce oversize. Processing 4. Tertiary crushing, or HPGR, compresses the ore to a finer product. Belt scales log through.
The fine ore stockpile is built by a stacker. Reclaim feeders draw from multiple points for blending, and
SAG discharge passes through a trommel, oversize returns for further breakage, and slurry moves to a sump.
We're showing high density on the gauge. Open the water valve slightly.
Affirmative. Opening the valve.
Viscosity stabilizing now.
Lime slurry is metered into conditioning tanks to adjust pH. Agitators keep solids suspended, and reagent day
Rougher concentrate spills into launders and pipes to a regrind stage. Rougher tailings continue to scavenger cells.
Scavenger cells recover remaining silver-bearing minerals, concentrate streams merge, and tailings exit to a thicker.
the combined concentrate enters a regrind mill, particle size is reduced, and the regrind discharge.
Processing. Cleaner concentrate advances while cleaner tailings recycle to maintain recovery. Launders and pipes remain flush to prevent building threats. Concentrate thickener feed receives flocculant dosing. Solids settle to the underflow. Clarified overflow processing. Thickened concentrate underflow pumps to filtration. A vacuum disc filter forms cakes on rotating sectors and filtrate.
clear the area below. We are moving the silver to the holding furnace.
Roger that. Commencing refining adjustments.
In the holding furnace, controlled oxygen and heat oxidize impurities. Dross is skimmed into labeled recovery.
Cross-checking the serial sequence now. Everything aligns with the production log.
Good. Beginning final purity sampling.
Processing. Laboratory digestion and ICP analysis confirm purity and trace impurities. Certificates are generated and linked to serial ranges. Foam-lined cartons with dividers are staged. Bars are placed in consistent orientation with separators. Pallet bases are inspected and staged. Then cartons are stacked in interlocked layers, and a stretch wrapper secures the load for transport stability.
Adjusting the collector dosage now.
Recovery rates are holding steady at 85%.
Vibration trends are nominal.
Grease lines purged and seals inspected. Staging the spares now.
Dumplings. Smelter off-gas scrubbers are checked for pH and flow. Captured dust is sealed into drums for recovery.
Processing. Doré and anode storage areas remain segregated by lot. Barcode scans confirm location.
The assay certificate matches the charge recipe, sir. Excellent. We're scheduling the next pour based on the packaging demand.
Confirmed. Starting the melt sequence now.
Newly cast bars are moved with padded tongs to prevent dents, and burrs are lightly removed from edges.
Processing. Wrapping stations apply protective film tightly around bar faces, corner guards are seated flush, and completed
Palletizing stacks cartons into stable layers, slip sheets reduce friction, and stretch wrap tightens around the load.
Processing. Pallets move into secure racking, inventory locations are scanned, and access control logs entries, while dispatch...
Watch the clearance on the left. Okay, that's secure. All yours.
Seal 7432, confirmed.
Verified against manifest. Logging departure time now.
With shipping complete, the warehouse resets lanes, compacts cardboard waste, and returns unused foam and
Gauge reads exactly 45 millimeters here. Acknowledged. Acknowledged. We are within tolerance.
Truck 4 is moving out. Copy that. Bring the next one in slowly.
Ramen piles are blended to maintain mill feed stability. The primary crusher runs steadily. Conveyors transfer crushed ore.
Secondary and tertiary circuits maintain target size, belt scales log tonnage, and the mill feed sampler
drills. Conditioning tanks regulate pH and reagent dosing. Flotation air rates remain at set points, and froth launders carry processing, concentrate thickening, and filtration keep moisture in range. Dust control remains active at cake transfer, and sealed lots move out.
Smelter blending and drying keep feed consistent. Furnace tapping separates slag and metal, and holding furnace skimming.
Doré casting continues with mold preheat and controlled pours. Bars cool and are weighed. Sampling drills collect shaving.
processing. Cathode harvesting lifts sheets with drip control. Rinse stations remove electrolyte. Laboratory certification valid.
Is this pallet secured for Route 3?
Yes, scanned and ready to go.
The certificate number here is 743 Alpha.
Scanning lot 4B. Match confirmed on the manifest.
Good, move this batch to shipping.
The dosing targets need adjustment before the next shift.
All right, I'll move the maintenance window to accommodate the change.
Tailings pipeline checks confirm pressure stability, valves are exercised, and reclaimed water quality is monitored as
Belt tracking and idlers are good. Spillage cleaned.
Guards verified. We are ready for the next shift.
All checks are complete, Supervisor. Pressures and temps are nominal.
Understood. Proceed with the service lockout.
Pallets are set tight against the bulkhead.
Secured. Straps and bars locked. Applying the seal and logging the number now.
remaining refined bars, if any, are kept in a locked cage with access logs. Humidity is controlled to protect packaging.
Look at lot 4B on the assay records. The sampling weight doesn't match the input.
I see it. We need to recount the Dore bars.
This analyzer is out of tolerance. I am tagging it for removal now.
Roger that. The laser alignment just passed the final check.
Stamp line confirmed. Reading at tolerance.
Noted. Proceed to wrapping.